Welcome back to Snow Dogs Cooking. It's time for another fun video. Some of you guys may have noticed that on our main channel, youtube.com/gointothesnowdogs, we uploaded a video where we made shamrock shakes for dogs. And a lot of you asked us to make shamrock shakes for people. Well, it's St. Patrick's Day and we needed something to make. So what better to make than shamrock shakes? Let's do it. So Shelby's already in here helping. You already in here helping? Yeah? She's like, I want this part right here. I want the whipped creams. Oh, whipped creams. So we have our ice cream machine. We need the inside part, but first we gotta mix things together.
Frozen first, so you gotta freeze the insides.
Yep. So
we're gonna leave that in the freezer.
I will put an Amazon affiliate link to that ice cream machine down below because it's awesome and I love it. I love it, love it, love it.
Yep.
And yeah, we're gonna make some shamrock shakes. We need to measure some things. We need measuring cups. Oh, we got another dog coming to join.
Do you want a big measuring cup?
No, we need 4. You could probably put the sugar in first. And then we only need to use 1 measuring cup. We need 1 cup of sugar and 4 cups of milk. Now we're making milkshakes. We're not actually making ice cream. Some people call this ice milk.
Iced milk?
Yeah. So because we're making milkshakes, we're not making ice cream and then mixing the ice cream with milk. We're making it a little bit different so we can drink it sooner instead of having to wait for this to actually freeze. So we're kind of making ice milk. We're making our own version of shamrock shakes. That's what we're doing.
That's a lot of sugar.
That's a lot of sugar, yeah. It's totally good for you. Don't worry about it. Oh, wait, I think I got a Memphis now too. Hi, Memphis. How are you? You coming to have shamrock shake too? No, you guys already had your shamrock shakes. Okay.
Worst thing that can happen.
So we're gonna add a half a teaspoon of mint
No,
extract.
that's a teaspoon.
Oh yeah. Shh.
I thought you said half.
No, we did a whole one.
Okay, so we're gonna add a teaspoon of mint extract. Stop confusing me, guys.
I thought you said half.
I added a half when I did it with the dogs.
Oh.
But we're making more, and this is for people, not for dogs.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah, only if yeah, right here. Come over here. Now do it.
I got some on my hand.
Now,
Don't get that in your eye.
I'm gonna do this.
Ooh, no, don't get that in your eye.
This might seem silly.
It's not sweet at all.
For green?
No, it's not sweet at all. Yeah. Should I mix the food coloring in here and stir it a little bit first, or should we just wait?
Sure. You can mix it to color. Yeah, sure.
Because this, when you get like solid things in with this type of food coloring,
it doesn't seem to mix.
It does. Well. Yeah, it does not mix as well.
I don't think 2 drops was enough. Huh?
You'd be surprised. This is. I will put an affiliate link for this stuff as well. I love this food coloring.
One more.
One more.
One more.
All right.
3 drops. Yeah, you might.
That was a bubble.
Oh god, that was a big drop.
It probably won't change it up much more.
Make it a little darker.
That oil. Ooh, yeah.
We'll pour the milk in there, buddy.
Right, we're gonna have to.
So 4 cups of milk, and we're using Fairlife milk, which is actually lactose free. So this is gonna be a little bit different.
Ice cream machine can take this.
I hope so.
I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure we can freeze this.
You're gonna make a mess. It's gonna drip. You're gonna make a mess. Gosh, that looks really pretty.
It does.
All right, so now we want to get the sugar and the milk all mixed together. And then we'll go on to the next step. Are you helping, Memphis? These girls are like, where's our shamrock shakes? You already had shamrock shakes. But look, I got cups for us when I went to McDonald's as well. So we can use fake McDonald's cups as well. Right? I know, shamrock shakes. All right, let's turn it into ice milk. Yeah.
I'm gonna pour kind of quick so I don't drip.
Oh, yeah,
Go ahead. You're good. This is our ice cream machine. This thing is already frozen.
Oh, there was a little sugar on the bottom.
It'll mix because this will mix it up. All right, we got to put it on here before it starts freezing to the side.
Okay.
It'll start mixing.
All right, so we're going to take this and we're going to put it on here. We should probably plug this in. It's not going to do anything if it's not plugged in. And then this goes on the top. There you go. And then make sure it's locked. Woo! And I knocked things over. Now, we need to plug this in. I can't do both things at once. Hold on, I got it. I got it. Now, turn it on. There we go. There we go. Yeah, see that's there. And there you go.
Yeah.
So, the best thing about this ice cream machine, 15 minutes.
Yep.
It'll be done. In 15 minutes, we will have ice milk.
And it's quiet.
It's very quiet. You haven't seen it work yet, have you?
Yes.
Oh, have you?
We made
Oh yeah, we did. We made ice cream once.
I was gonna buy one, but I decided not to because I just need ice cream.
Yeah.
So we're gonna let that mix. It smells amazing.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Oh my goodness. You wanna stick a spoon in there and taste it?
I don't know. No, I think I'm gonna wait.
Is it is it cheating? Maybe.
I'll wait.
How else do we know if it's done?
You wait 15 minutes like the timer
Yeah.
says.
Oh, okay. I guess so. Yeah, so Jamie can help you spatula some of that stuff off.
Might be able to shake it out.
Yeah, you might be able to.
Nope, no, some of
It's
the-
gonna get, I would say, it'll get stuck in the middle. So we let it go for about 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes is pretty good. That looks
I can't tell where the oh, there it is.
like a good milkshake consistency to me.
Yeah, that looks
That was
delicious.
pretty good.
And we've got our awesome ice cream container here that I also got from Amazon. But we're gonna scoop some of this into these cups and then put the rest in here. Just don't drip it all over the place. Ooh, that looks like a milkshake to me.
Smells minty.
All right.
Yeah, it
I
smelled
don't want
minty the whole
that
time.
much.
All right. We'll get these all prettied up. What are you doing down there, lady? Huh?
You smell that,
What
huh?
are you doing? She's like, I had one of those the other day, guys. It was super good. I really liked it. I would totally have some more. You had a dog version, though. It was made with yogurt. We're going to go ahead and decorate these a little bit. Because, you know, it's not a shake without some whipped cream. And then, you know, we just... Oh, Memphis? Memphis is like, me?
What?
Me? Take it. There you go. Ready? Shelby's like, this is my favorite stuff ever! Oakley here, want some? Oakley. Memphis!
See, I wasn't even looking. And actually I was. The whole internet was watching.
That's enough.
She's like, I'm eating this! No, can't have it. You got some. Okay, so,
Alright.
do you guys want this green stuff on it too? Do we want to make it a little
What is
real
that?
pretty?
Sure.
Just eat it.
Ooh.
It's like green stuff. It just makes it pretty for pictures.
Oh, it's not like caramel or...
No, it's like cake decorating. It's cake stuff that you write on a cake with.
Oh, sugar!
It's
Yeah!
Just, it's just sugar.
Yeah,
I
so
want
I'd like
some of
some
that
sugar.
on there,
Oh,
please.
Sprinkly sugars.
Yeah, and then
What?
we gotta do sprinkly sugar.
Oh, yeah.
Because, you know.
More sugar. Give
We
me
gotta make them nice
it.
and pretty green.
Oh, that does look nice.
I know. Now, what do you think? Should we do sprinkles as well? I mean,
Yeah, see
you know,
it?
we are trying to do super green, so might as well
Those
do.
sprinkles look like rabbit food.
They do.
Don't say that.
They're gonna taste like alfalfa. Just a little bit of
There
those.
it is.
Sweet. Okay, move all that out of the way, and then we
Wow.
go. There's one. There's a two. And there's a three. All right. Now we gotta take a picture. Hurry up before they melt.
Yep.
Memphis, you already stole some of this. Oh,
Uh-huh.
here they come. They're like,
Here they
oh,
come.
hey. Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
They smell good. Ready?
All right.
Cheers.
Nope.
I already had a
Cheers.
sip.
It's very thick. Oh.
And very minty.
That was the goal. It is very minty.
It's perfect thickness. And it's very minty. It's not too minty though. I don't know. It's actually pretty good.
I don't think it's too minty. We were
Oh, it
concerned.
smells. Yeah, it smells really minty.
We were concerned it was gonna be too minty.
But I think the thickness of it really helps.
Yeah. And it's perfect for the thickness.
Yeah.
I have a hard time talking
Yeah.
when I
Don't drink it too fast. You'll get a bellyache.
We
Might
should have got
even
those.
go down.
We should have got those big straws.
This reminds me of an actual McDonald's shake because
Yeah.
they're so thick.
That's
And
actually
you're like
that's
trying
perfect.
to suck through the straw.
It
That's
might be a
perfect
little
time.
bit mintier.
I mean, you can see the straw is still green. I don't know if you can still if you.
Memphis
can
is
actually
like, I can
that,
see it.
but-
Let me jump over there and
Right.
try it.
Hi, Shelby.
Sorry, guys. You guys
This
had
one
your
has
own.
sugar. Well, we gave
Yeah,
you the
you
old
had
one.
your own. You had your own.
I was craving these all week.
Right? We knew we were gonna make
Wow.
these, so we've all been like, I'm not gonna get one from McDonald's. We're
Now I'm gonna
have
have to.
our own.
Now I'm gonna have to try the McDonald's one, and I'm gonna have to try the Arby's one, and put
Well, the
it in,
McDonald's
in
one-
comparison to this.
You're gonna have to try tomorrow,
Mm-hmm.
and then because then they're gone.
Really?
Yeah, tomorrow is after Shamrock. After that, they're usually pretty gone. They don't.
No,
they
they
don't
usually
last
have the
long.
stuff for another week or two at ours.
If you're lucky.
I don't know.
'Cause I used to always get them on my birthday.
Oh
Wow.
yeah, that's true. Greg's birthday's coming, March 22nd. I got it right. I kept saying March 23rd. Anyway,
Yeah, I
We
would
might have to
think
make a
23 too.
we might have to make a cake. That's a good idea. A mayonnaise cake?
Either mayonnaise or Texas sheet cake.
Well, we might vote in the comments what you want to see us make for Greg's
Do you want us to use mayonnaise or sour milk to make a cake?
That doesn't sound right. I don't.
Trust
As
us.
long as you add sugar.
They're my 2 favorite cakes, so
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to do that.
I'm gonna
Wow.
eat this whole thing.
I know. Anyway, you guys, let us know if you're gonna try making these. If you do, send us some pictures. All of our social media sites are down in the video description below. Tag us, let us know. Let us know what you wanna see us make next. And yeah, if you're new to this channel and you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm stirring all the stuff.
What? You're stirring it. I'm gonna eat mine.
Like this video and share it with your friends to help us grow the audience as always. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big. We will see you again soon.
No, you can't.
We're gonna enjoy this. Oh, and the leftovers, because we made more than this, we just stuck it in that container and put it in the freezer. We'll eat it like ice cream later. Bye.
That's very good.